Hey everyone, welcome to the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. Today we're going to talk about signing up for the Amazon Influencer Program and starting an Amazon storefront. It's very similar to having Amazon affiliate links, but they're all in one location. I'm going to share my screen with you to show you what I'm talking about. If you haven't seen my video on how to start making money with Amazon affiliate links, I will have that pop up at the end for you and you can watch that. You can sign up for that and get that rolling. If you're already doing Amazon affiliate links, the next step is to get your own storefront, especially if you have a pretty good following on any social media platform. If you have a lot of Instagram followers or YouTube, or even within a group, if you run a Facebook group or anything like that, you can take all of the things that you promote in these Amazon affiliate links and put them in one spot. And it's just like shopping on Amazon, so that your followers and your subscribers can go and shop in a very familiar setting to them. But each thing that they click on is actually an affiliate link that will link back to you and give you credit and a little bit of money for commission. It's at no extra cost to anybody that's shopping or buying anything, just like the affiliate links. There's no difference for the buyer. It's just that every time you've basically referred someone to Amazon to buy a product, they give you a little bit of commission if you're signed up for the program. You guys know I love to tell you, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Make sure you have all these different streams of income coming in. And that's not just cross-posting and listing on different platforms. Having multiple streams of income includes having things other than platforms you're selling on. So you want to be listed on multiple platforms, but you want to be selling on Instagram. You want to have affiliate links. You want to have eBay partnership program. There's just all these different ways. And even if each one of your streams is small, they all feed into each other into a big river. So you don't have to be a huge YouTuber with hundreds of thousands of subscribers to benefit from the Amazon Influencer Program or having a storefront or doing affiliate links. You can be small potatoes, and still, if you're bringing in an extra 30, 50 bucks a month, that's an extra 30 or 50 bucks a month. And if you're branching out and you have lots of little different streams coming in to subsidize, your big money, which is probably eBay for most of us, or Mercari or Poshmark, it just all adds up. That's the whole point of having multiple streams of income. Not all of them have to be ginormous. Not all of them have to bring in the basis of what you need to make each month. They're all just kind of there to subsidize and add in some extra money. So let me share my screen with you, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. I'm sure that most of you have already seen our Amazon storefront because I do advertise it quite often. And Amazon puts the disclaimer right here: the Hippo Hut earns money from this storefront. It is required by the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, that you always disclose when you are promoting an affiliated link. If you are promoting something and you are going to make a commission off of it, you are required to let people know that. And all you have to say is Amazon affiliate link may result in a small commission. That's usually what I say. Some folks say something that's more akin to their personality, like, hey, this is an affiliate, I might make a few pennies. You can make it fit your personality, but you just have to basically tell folks, this is an affiliate link and I will make a commission if you use it. Amazon puts it right here for you. So this is what it looks like. It has our logo, and I'm going to show you guys how you'll go through and set this up for yourself if you wanted one. It's got my picture with the hippos there. And then when you set it up, you're going to add products to it, and then you can categorize them. So mine are in Resellers Toolbox, which is going to be just all these different tools that you can use for your reselling business. Most of them I've talked about or shown on our YouTube or in our Facebook group. There's the eyeball stuff. Everyone asks every single day, at least I get one message, if not more. What's that eyeball stuff? Here it is, guys. That's the eyeball stuff. Fixes the scratches on Plushie eyeballs. I've got a category called Shipping Made Easy. All these supplies in here. Every single one of these is an affiliate link. So if you were to click on this and purchase it, or the tissue paper, any of this, we would get a small commission, but it doesn't cost you any extra. Here's a bullet journal must-haves. This one needs updated. I just bought some new stickers and some new markers that I'm actually absolutely enamored with, and I need to put them in here. And then I have the stuff that we use for YouTube. So it's just like a familiar shopping experience. Folks can come in, hey, I'm interested in this. They paid the same amount they would have paid had they found this on their own, except you get a little bit of money. You should be signed up for the Amazon affiliate program first before you do this. So make sure you watch that video at the end of this if you haven't already. And here's what the Amazon influencer program is. I'm going to put this link down below. You guys can come back and read this verbatim, word for word on your own time. But basically, it's an extension of the Amazon affiliate program. It brings content from influencers onto Amazon, helps customers research and discover products they may be interested in. You can actually saying, you know, what people are interested in. You could come on yours and you could still be a reseller, but you could still have a category on yours that's called, you know, stuff Sally likes to cook with in the kitchen, and put all the products that you actually shop for and use on Amazon. An influencer is anyone who has a meaningful social media following. Does Amazon validate or express the opinions? No. And then just some more questions. Are influencers expected to write only positive reviews? We're not required to do that. We're actually not required to do anything but build the storefront and then market it so that folks are shopping and spending their money on Amazon. So I will link this down below. And then at the bottom, how can I join the program? You would click this. It would open up this page for you. And this is how you join the influencer. You sign up. It says monetize your content with the Amazon influencer program. As an Amazon influencer, we give you the tools you need to select the best of Amazon's products and services, easily recommend them to your followers, and earn commissions. You can also inspire customers to shop millions of products by curating your personalized page. You can publish your live streams, photos, and videos. So you sign up, and then you'll go to this Build Your Storefront, where that will walk you through step by step on how to customize your page. Just like you saw on mine that I let go away, but you saw how it's customized. I could have had a banner here, but I don't. I should, absolutely. But when you do this Build Your Storefront, it will walk you through it, and you'll be able to put your photo in your banner if you want, what you want to name it, all kinds of stuff. And then create, and then you earn. It's that easy. What is an Amazon influencer? It's basically a content creator who provides recommendations to inspire the audience. How do I qualify for this program? We accept applications from all types of influencers, provided that you have a YouTube, an Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook account. So you can have any of those. They do look at the number of followers you have before they will approve you. So if you don't have enough to get approved for the influencer program, don't be discouraged. You can still do the Amazon affiliate links. Anybody can do those. So you would still sign up for that, promote your links, build up your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whichever platform you have or do you want to sign up with, and just continue to build it and just keep reapplying until they approve you. I've been on this since 2018, and we were kind of small then. So I don't think it takes very many. I don't think you have to have necessarily tons and tons, because we've had our shop for quite some time, like long ago and far away when we were still little, when I used to talk to myself on these videos. So how much will I earn? You start earning commission when your followers make qualifying purchases. Commission rates can be found here, and they're also visible in your report. So here's the commission rates. I will, again, put all these links down there for you guys. So depending on the category is how much commission you make. And you can go through that and look. And then here's where you apply. So again, if you have any of those social media accounts, I would recommend just going ahead and applying and seeing if they'll take you. If they don't be discouraged. Don't take it personally. It's nothing against you. They just want to make sure that they're having people in this program that are going to actually make the money. So just keep trying. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Make it a goal to try every 100 new followers on Instagram. And the way to gain more followers is to interact and use your hashtags. We do a reseller game train within our Facebook group, but a lot of resellers in the community do the game trains on the weekends on Instagram. So again, I was approved. I can't remember how. I wasn't very big though. I wasn't, I may have just been getting monetized on YouTube when they approved me. So don't think you're too small. Just try it. Worst they can say is you don't have enough, and you can just keep plugging away and keep trying. But it is an additional way to make a little bit of extra income. It's an extra stream of money coming in, and it's in addition to the affiliate links. The affiliate links are really, really good because you can put those on your Instagram, your Facebook groups. Make sure that you are the admin or moderator of a Facebook group before you start putting your affiliate links in, and or checking with the admin and the group rules. A lot of groups, including mine, have a no outside links policy without permission. But you can always start your own Facebook group as well. And don't think this has to be limited to just reselling. Again, you can have a category for actual products that you have in your kitchen. If you're a huge, fan of movies, you could have a movie category. I've often thought about, and I just have never sat down to do it, but you guys know that I'm a huge horror movie buff, right? So I've thought about creating a category on our storefront with just horror movies that I would recommend. And they're like $4 a pop for the buyer if they're looking for that movie, but you make 40 cents every time they buy it, or whatever the amount is for that category. So the sky is the limit. Once you have the storefront, you can literally get as creative as you want. And you can create all those little categories. You could have a reseller one, movies, kitchen gadgets, bedroom stuff, my wish list, my dream team, or whatever. I've seen a lot of people get really creative with them. So again, make sure you're signed up for the Amazon affiliate program. If you're not, and you don't know how, I'll have it pop up in the corner. And even if, you're only promoting your affiliate links here and there a couple times a week, and you're making a couple extra bucks a month, again, it's all about having all the multiple streams come into the main ocean of your income, and just kind of subsidizing, adding to the pot. Sometimes we make up for slow sales on eBay with our other streams of income. So it's something to think about. If you guys have any more questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Help us feed a hungry hippo. Don't forget to join our Facebook group. And until next time, guys, go be productive. Go make some money. Create more streams. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. You're the best. Bye.